Alright guys, this is how to fade back fade. This is back fade. So what you need to do is to join your blades together and texture the first guard line. After it's texture you finish. See how I raise the clipper up. Understand? So after I texture it finish, the next thing you need to do is to open your clipper, open the blade, that is lever open. You create the second guard line. After you create the second guard line, make sure you are brushing down the hair off the one that you are removing. Do you understand, guys? So if you know that today is your first time watching my channel, please, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And like, comment and share. So after that, the next thing you need to use is to use your step 1. Put it on skin level blade. You blend it. See the way I'm flipping it up. Watch how my hand is going. Watch the way I'm moving my hand and the way I'm brushing it down. So some persons do not know that back fade is difficult than the normal taper side fade, because some hairs are very strong and some are very soft. Like this one, you can see this one is very soft. That is why I'm taking it slow and steady. So after you have created you flip it up finish, you still put it on your what is it called, your step 1. Then you brush it down. See the way my hand is moving. Do you understand? This hair is very soft. See the way I'm brushing it down. It's still on that step 1. Do you understand, guys? If you're learning something from this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, like and comment and share and subscribe. So as this says, very soft, you have to take your time. That's why I told you that in barbing you have to be focused, calculative, and you have to be patient. Do you understand? This is very soft. That is why I'm taking it slow. What do I'm doing it? Because some people's back head is not well textured, and it's not well, everybody has the way his shape of hair is. So like this one, as you're watching, you think that maybe the hair is going inside. Don't think that. Just stick to this video, watch it to the end and see the magic I did upon how this hair is soft. So after, you have to take your time. After you have brushed it down finish, still put it on step 1 and flip it and blend some outgrowth one that you did not blend. Do you understand? This back fade requires what? Your 100% attention and focus. See what I'm doing? It's what I'm doing. After that, you remove your step 1, put it on only on normal low cut blade. See the way I'm brushing it down. You will not understand what I'm doing here because you will not know how soft this hair is. Understand? If you are not skilled enough, you spoil the hair. So you have to take your time, follow it accordingly. Do you understand? And make sure you're brushing down your hair. Stick to the video. Watch the end, you see the magic I did. This hair is very soft and it really took my time, but you will not know. So you have to take your time. All this thing that I'm doing, let's just call it miscellaneous, because you focus and make sure you do the finishing touches. I'm not yet done. Watch what I'm doing. I'm trying to make sure that the first guideline and the second guideline that I created is well balanced. Do you understand? So watch what I'm doing. Make sure you're brushing your hair down. So back fade. After that, you comb out the hair. You comb it out. Comb out the hair. You see, it's getting shaped, right? See, the blending is coming small, right? So after that, you pick up your step 2. This is where you use your step 2. See how I'm flipping it? Just watch closely. Watch what I'm doing. What the way I'm calculating. What the way I'm blending it up. I'm flipping it up. What the way my hand is moving. You see, sometimes I'll count down and look at it. You have to be what? Very observant. Observe the hair very well and know how to flip it. Do you understand? You see, the hair is getting to shape, right? So take your time. Watch the way my hand is moving. Just watch to the end and see how this hair, the final touches of this hair, Do you understand? Take your time. If this hair is not that soft, I will not use that step 2. I will only make use of that step 1, only that step 1. So after that, you trim the out ones. That's why I told you, you need to be calculative. You need to be very, very focused. Do you understand? Watch what I'm doing. I'm trimming it off. Make sure that the blade is open, the lever is open. Understand? See the way I'm trimming it, making sure that I'm constructing it very well, texturing it very well. Do you understand, guys? If you are learning something from this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, like, share this video, let other people see it and learn too. Do you understand, guys? I've not done only back fade before, but as this customer came, I saw the hair was very, very what soft, so I said let me use it and teach you how to fade back fade when the hair is very, very soft. Take your time. You see the shape is coming out, right? The blending is coming out, right? So that is the difference between hard hair. Someone commented that how would she know when hair is hard and when hair is soft? So that's why I always tell you that when you are watching my video, stick to the end, because I used to dish out all those secret tips as I'm explaining. Do you understand? Watch how the hair is. You trim it, what the hair very well, don't rush it, because this the way it's soft, if you do a little mistake, you spoil everything. That's why I have to be very, very what patient, calculative, and focused. Watch what I'm doing. I'm taking my time to make sure that everything is well arranged. Do you understand? Watch it very well. Watch how my hand is moving. Don't forget, I will advise you to join this channel, because once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, go to my playlist. You will see I've done a lot of video that I detail everything from the scratch. Do you understand? So barbing is very, very good when you have that Z. If you have the Z, within 2 weeks you start barbing. Some persons think that barbing is that it's not hard because you don't have that Z. Do you understand? Watch how the back fade is coming out. You see, I told us that if this hair is not soft, I would have used only step 1 and blade and fade everything. Can you see the back? Now watch the lining. Watch how I line the hair. Once you want to line hair, make sure you join the blades together. Let it join together, the small and the big, let it join together, and follow how the neck texture is. Don't see where how the hair grows. See how the neck texture is. That is how I followed it. Don't use because of you want the shape to be wide, you go and shape it outside. It will not follow how the hair, how natural, how God created the hair, how the texture is. Follow it. Do you understand? And take your time. Don't rush it. Do you understand? I didn't set this blade together. It's not well set. It will be injuring the customer, or it will be inching him. So you have to know how to set your blade accurately. And I've done the video. Go to my playlist. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. This family welcomes you, and in this family you will learn anything you want to learn about haircut tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Do you understand? And once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on. If you didn't turn it on, even if I post, you will not know that I post. So it's when you turn your notification bell on, that once I post, YouTube will notify that your channel, the channel you subscribe to, just posted. Do you understand? So watch how I'm doing it. I'm a little bit fast, right? But yeah, but hope you learn something from this video. And if you do, don't forget to comment. Tell me do you know one thing? As you are watching this video and you are watching it to the end, just tell me what you like in this tutorial, and tell me what you don't like. Anywhere I did not do it well, tell me, so that I'll be corrected. I'm also a learner. Not that I'm the one teaching, I'm also a learner. Everyone is a learner. No one knows it all except God. So can you see how it is now? This is back fade taper. This is back fade taper. You see, even the way you're watching, you know that this hair is very, very what? It's very, very soft. This is the end. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I love you. Please like, comment, and share. This is our universal cut. Thank you.